brackets, and we will talking about relation and function. So relation is collection of ordered pair. An ordered pair is consists of x and y. So x is resembles to domain and y is resembles to codomain. We have here the example set. Negative 2, 1, negative 2, 3, 0, negative 3, 1 and 4, 3 and 1. So, x is the first value of a set which is negative 2, negative 2, 0, 1, and 3. The y is the second value of a set which is 1, 3, negative 3, 4, and 1. Remember, when we are going to rewrite the x and y, we should get rid of the duplicate values and we should rewrite it in this decreasing form. For example, in x and y value, in x, negative 2 is twice, so we will write it once. Next is 0, 1, and 3. And y is negative 3, 1, 3, and 4. So, for determine if it is related or not, for example is, in a set A, we have set A and B. So, set A is the x value and set B is the y value. So, it is related if and in only if the x is divisible by y. 1 is related to 3 since 3 is divisible by 1. 1 is related to 4 since 4 is divisible by 1. And 2 is related to 2 since 2 is divisible by 2. But 2 is not related to 3 since 3 is not divisible by 2.
So after we discuss about the relation, now let's talk about the function. So here we have a set. So a set negative 3 and 1, negative 1 and 2, 1 and 5, 4 and 5. So the value of x is negative 3, negative 1, 1, and 4. So in the value of y, 1, 2, 5, and 5. So after that, let's organize it by mapping diagram. So as you can see, the value of x is negative 3, negative 1, 1, and 4. And then the value of y is 1, 2, 5, and 5. So the pair negative 3 and 1, here, 1 and 2, 1 and 5, and 4 and 5. So, yeah. And yes, it's a function. So, as you can see, y have a repeated number 5. But it's a function. Why? Because it's okay to have a repeated number in y, in value of y. But in x, if a number has a repeated number, so it's a function.
Good day, everyone. Example, this is the ordered pair. Negative 2, 1, negative 2, 3, 0, negative 3, 1, 4, and 3, and 1. So, the x value or the domain is the first values of elements which is negative 2, negative 2, 0, 1, and 3. And y or the range is the second element of the set which is 1, 3, negative 3, 4, and 1. And remember, when we are listing both range and domain, we should get rid for the repeating values, which is in this first, in range, negative 2 is repeated. So, we will just write negative 2, 0, 1, and 3. And then, in range, negative 3, 1, 3, and 4. Why? Because when we will write this, we should remember that Wala na, naano na ako. List, increasing order.